So the first thing I want to point out that this is a really nice location in this neighborhood, kind of central to the neighborhood, nice quiet street, has a bit of a curvature to it, so you've got a little bit of a larger front yard than you do a backyard. And this has also got a really good floor plan. I think there's a couple different floor plans here in the Briarwood neighborhood, and this is definitely one of my favorites because it has a nice large living room facing the backyard. Let's take a look. So upon entering, you've got this kind of a formal entry here, and that, you've got this opening here that can lead to your dining area and your kitchen, and that door will lead to your garage. We'll take a look at that shortly and get an idea of how this is laid out and the condition. We've got tile flooring here, and you've got some cherry wood shaker style cabinets with granite countertops. Gas cooking, vent hood, it's out, and here you go. Nice thing about this kitchen is it's somewhat open, as you can see, connected to your living space, and you've got a really spacious living room here. Got a wood burning fireplace. And also the home I need to point out that the home faces about southeast. Not quite sure how much south or how much east. It might be perfectly southeast. So a lot of light on this side of the house right here. This is gonna be, my guess, more south on this side, and then more east over here. But very bright. It's about, I would say, 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. And nice little view of your backyard and your sliding glass door. So you can kind of walk around here. You can get an idea of what this view looks like. Now, we also have a Matterport tour where you can kind of navigate around yourselves. We also have a 2D floor plan that'll give you the dimensions. And there you go. Now on this side of the house, this is where you have your bathrooms as well as your bedrooms. And here you go, you've got a tile style shower, tile floor, updated vanity here with a granite top. You can get an idea of the fixtures here, and vanity, and just the overall space. Pretty comfortable space here. Probably could have put in a larger vanity, but you've got I think a 36-inch vanity already, so that's good. And this is the first of the 3 bedrooms. Pretty nicely proportioned. Your closet, it's over here. It's also got that crawl space access there, and also views of the backyard in this particular room. Now the flooring is a laminate type flooring. Also kind of a cherry wood color. And you've got some nice updates, some raised panel doors, all new trim, new baseboards, also recessed lighting throughout the home. Well, except the bedrooms. Bedrooms have central lighting. And you can see here now, this is a really good sized bedroom. You've got a twin bed here. So you've got a lot of space in between here. It could definitely fit a queen very comfortably. And you've got your closet back over here. Home has central heating, central AC. And here's your master bedroom. Nice sliding closet here. And it does have some really nice organization to it. You can kind of see over here. And then here's your bedroom facing the front. Also fairly bright in here. And then your ensuite bathroom here. Features a stall shower. Here's your vanity. And then pretty good sized stall shower. I'm not sure, maybe somewhere around 40 inches with a glass door enclosure. Granite top, same materials as the other ones. It's pretty consistent throughout the house. Same cabinet material, same granite. Bathrooms have the same tile. Kitchen tile is a little bit different. Okay. Let's go out here. And I'm going to take a look at the garage. Right over here. Garage, 2-car garage. It's also got an automatic opener. Kind of see right here. Let's go ahead and open that garage. Laundry's in the garage. Not finished, but pretty spacious. There's the rafters and the ceiling. Water heaters here, fairly recent, and you see your furnace is not so old either. It's got central AC. Usually when you see the PVC pipe there, that means it's a high efficiency or a higher efficiency furnace. And kind of get an idea, there are some cracks here. And then the driveway looks like it was redone at some point. Much newer driveway than normal. And there you go. All right, let's go take a look at the backyard. I'm gonna navigate over here. There you go. It's got a little lawn area, electrical panel here, and that looks like it was upgraded as well at some point. Check the inspections to see the service level on that. And it looks like the stucco was redone at one time. This doesn't look like the original stucco. Looks like someone gave it a nice clean coat over maybe the original stucco. And you can kind of get an idea of the backyard, the dimensions of the backyard. Nice lawn area, good sized patio. There's your AC condenser back there. Some of the fences are a little bit newer, but by all means, pretty good condition. Do have a pole right over here. Some wiring, but for the most part, very spacious, well proportioned. And it's got sprinklers here in the back for the lawn and the front. Not bad. Hey, thanks so much for joining me on this virtual open house for 3468 Flora Vista. If you've got any questions, if you want to access the virtual tour, I should say the Matterport tour, the floor plan, all the photos, you can go to 3468floravista.com and get that information. If you want to schedule a showing, give us a call or email us at info@thebrazilgroup.com. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.